Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. My correalistic people, there is fire on the mountain. But before I will start, let me first of all greet my correalistic people. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my correlistic people, today I brought before you what is on board though. According to the saying, they said the story is sweet oh, but the food is sweeter. See, let me tell you, you can't pass through this platform without not getting it authentic. In this place, we give it to you undiluted. Every time we normally shout oh, if election for Nigeria never shake you gidigba, if you not strong, say your two leg not dey for ground for Nigeria election, abeg my sister, make you pack yourself for one side, because election for Nigeria no be person mate at all. Before you can be able to stand and be above the law as far as Nigeria politics is concerned, you need to drink from the okra pot. Yes, so the okra pot that draw, that nobody question, you need to drink from that pot. If you have not drank from the pot, my sister, my brother, pack one side. It happens that as people normally encourage Mr. Peter Obi during the election and after the election, a lot of people are just saying, oh, your PVC does not worth it oh, we don't believe in one Nigeria oh, things are not working well the way it should be. If you notice, you will see that after the presidential election, people enter their share, like a lot of people enter hole. They refused to come out because they were so disappointed. They say, what will it profit a man when you gain the whole world and lose your soul in hell? But in Nigerian politics, it sounds the same. Recently, Peter Obi has been moving from one place to another, bringing one evidence or the other, talking about Baba Blue, that is the Jagaban, the president-elect of Nigeria. He has been talking about him. Oh, he has been bringing a lot of updates. He has been bringing a lot of evidence. So, about how they used to do it in America back then. And I said something. I said, it would have been better. All this evidence you are bringing, I wish the election has not yet been concluded. It would have been better from the beginning, so that people will know that this is something that is going on and the issue will be settled. You know, in this platform, we are so truthful. We say it the way it is, my people. I don't cover anything. I said it. I said, how wish Peter Obi brought this evidence at the initial stage from the very first beginning. Start shouting, oh, this person so can't participate in Nigeria election as a candidate or as a contestant because of this, because of that. People will know. But he came up after the election. You know now, a lot of people will say he's saying all these things because he lost. A lot of people will be saying, oh, you are saying all this things, you are trying to blackmail Mr. Tinubu because you did not win. I wish you are the one that is declared Nigeria president. Would you have bring out all this evidence you are not bringing now? Because my people, as I always say it, believe me, truth is bitter, but it got to be said. I wish from the very first beginning, Peter Obi raised all this alarm that is raising now. It would have been so profitable. People would have listened. But it's after the election, people will say, oh, you are just flaming it up. Even if what he's trying to say is the correct thing, nobody will believe him. I am telling you the truth. Quote me anywhere. Even all the evidence, they are seeing that they are 100%, they are 100% correct. But a lot of people will still say that he's doing that out of jealousy and hate. That is just the basic truth. It's the fact of life. People will say, oh, you do this out of jealousy, you do this out of hate. I am telling you the truth. Just imagine when someone is climbing to success, then you are now bringing one thing that will weigh the person down or that will draw the person down. People will say, oh, don't listen to him or don't listen to her. She's a mad person. She don't know what she's doing. Don't listen to her. Everything she's doing is all fake. Blah, blah, blah. She wants to pull you down. That is the song that people will start singing. Peter Obi now release another update again that I am being pleasured to leave Nigeria. Na here matter call wowo. Who are those people that is mounting pressure on Peter Obi? Do you want Peter Obi to leave his mandate for you? Now, there is a way a lot of Nigerians reacted to this. They say, oh, Peter Obi want to japa. That Peter Obi know that he's about to be arrested. Listen, oh, this is what Nigerians are saying. They said that Peter Obi know that he is about to be arrested, that his time is numbered. That everything that he said about Tinubu, they must arrest him. And now he is trying to japa. He said that there is nobody that is pressuring Peter Obi that he need to answer his question. According to the news also, Peter Obi also boasted that he will be suing some media houses that brought out that leak audio. According to Peter Obi, he said the audio is fake, that he has never for once tell people to vote for him based on religion or a tribe. He has never said such a thing. So he decided to sue the media houses that he believed they brought this particular audio. But you know that your enemy is at the top, looking, waiting for every opportunity to name you. Now that Peter Obi sued these media houses, they will try as much as possible to say, what about if you lose? What about if you are guilty as charged? What will be the offense? Because now there are a lot of Nigerians that do not understand the scope of election. There is a lot of Nigerians that don't understand what is going on right now. Everybody that is shouting obedient, obedient in one way or the other, they've silenced all of them. They can't even come out to rant anymore. They can't even come out to shout. This is the time that Peter Obi needs your voice. This is the time for you to voice out, for people to know that something like this is going on or happening. As it stands right now, a lot of Nigerians now making U-turn. When I say U-turn, they are saying, oh, Peter Obi should just relax and accept his fate. And now Peter Obi said he's being pressured to leave Nigeria. The same youth are now saying Peter Obi is lying. There are some of them that were shouting obedient, obedient, obedient before. When they see the way things are going, Baba, Mama, the Dobale, they are not saying accept your fate and move on. Now, they are not even talking about accepting fate and move on. They are saying Peter Obi is not afraid of arrest. That means it's true. As I said before, when you are climbing, your enemy will be at the top or down, watching you to miss your steps so that they will laugh. Peter Obi suing that media houses. I can't tell, because they are going to now join, will be combined force, join force to fight you. Where are the obedient? This is the time that Peter Obi needs your voice. Peter Obi is going through a lot, for goodness sake. Peter Obi is passing through a lot. Peter Obi needs your prayers. Peter Obi is one man that believes in one Nigeria. Let me just tell you, he so much believes in one Nigeria. And he believes in this great change that he is not seeing. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? They finally agreed and said that the government, the constitution, everything has been hijacked. Please, we are asking, who hijacked the government? Who? A In fact, Peter Obi need your voice. Peter Obi is passing through a lot. When I say a lot, I mean a lot. This one now they call unumeruwe, my mouth do me something. I am telling you the truth. Peter Obi is passing through a lot, but people will not understand. But time shall tell. You will understand that Peter Obi, of a truth, he is passing through a lot. For him to cry out, the pressure is very much on him, especially this one that leak audio comes out. Everything now, that garuri. Everything, that baruri. Everything don kpafuka, everything don spoil. So my correlistic people, I say let me bring this and check on you with this particular update that your favorite Peter Obi is crying for help. Honestly speaking, he needs help. He needs you and you now. He needs your voice, he needs your prayer, he needs everything, because the way it is now, na japa na be the next target. So thank you so much everyone for watching. Thank you for listening to this update. Please like this video, share and subscribe as we put Peter Obi in our prayers. Thank you so much and bye bye.